Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how to tie the barrel knot. This is a very simple knot that is fun to make and you can incorporate into your wall hangings as decorative endings. You can also use this knot in other ways as well, so you can be creative with this. So let's just get right into it and get started. You only need one strand of rope to tie this knot. And what you do is you curl the rope around itself to form a loop. So I just send it behind itself. And then I take the end and I just start twisting it around the side. And I like to do this about 3 times. And then once you have twisted it around the side, we're just going to pull the knot to tighten. Just like that. And it forms a barrel shape. Let's do it again. I take the rope and just twist it under itself to form a loop. And then I start twisting it around the edge of that loop. This time I'm only going to twist it 2 times to make a smaller barrel knot. Just like that. So as you can see, this one has 3 little loops and this one only has 2. You can also make a bigger barrel knot by twisting it around even more times. Just like that. So this is how you can create the barrel knot. It's very quick and easy, but it makes a beautiful texture to all kinds of projects. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.